Okay, hi everyone. I have a few tinders set out here. A tinder is very fine material that used for lighting fires that typically can catch either a match or a spark from a fire steel. So here we've got a few different ones. We've got cotton wool. It's probably the easiest one to get your hands on. If you separate the fibers like this tends to catch really easily, but it won't burn for long. It will be gone in a couple of seconds, so it's good to have something else that can catch the flame from that. You have some wood fibers just been teased apart. These are bits of bark, wood fibers. This is really important that it's dry. It's good for catching kind of secondary sparks, so after you've used the cotton wool you can catch the flame from that with your bark or wood fibers. Here you've got some dried grass. Make sure it's nice and dry by collecting it from as high as you possibly can. This is also really good as your secondary, so you can put an ember or something in there and it'll catch. And here you've got birch bark. Birch bark needs a bit of preparation if you want to use it with a fire steel, so you tend to want to scrape the top layer of the bark off to create a powder, and that powder will catch really easily. But other than that, if you put it near an ember or something, it does catch and it burns for quite a long time, very high heat, so you want that as your secondary tinder. Now I've got some cotton wool substitute, which is seed heads. So this is a combination of seed heads from thistle and from rosebay willow herb, which I collected today. And then last of all we've got cramp ball or King Alfred's cakes. It's tinder fungus. Once you've dried it out, it will catch a little spark, it'll burn with an ember. So you do need to dry that out. I've only picked them today, so they still need to dry out a bit longer. So those are your few basic types of tinders.